Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstances, guys. Scorpios, and I'll be picking one card for your moon energy, Scorpios. We will see what it is as we proceed. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. So in your circumstances today, Scorpios, you are happy for the way things are going. You have that emotional satisfaction, contentment, and maybe you are seeing great opportunities coming your way. Maybe in your work, there may be some partnership, some collaboration, something you can look forward to. Maybe you are getting a news about that, some positive news of something good. Maybe you were facing some delays or suspensions in your work, or maybe in your relationship there was some misunderstanding, something was not right. But today all that is changing, guys. You feel that confidence and your circumstances beginning to turn positive. Some good changes are happening and you are happy for that. And today, maybe in this relationship, you are really happy with this person. You have that mutual love, respect, and caring. This person feels for you and you feel that way towards them. And there is a greater sense of friendship. So you find them as your good friend. And that is the reason for you having that complete trust on this person. You rely on them, you trust them, and you see them as a great friend who is a helping person, kind to you. So whatever your circumstances are, they are here to help you and guide you. That is what is making you even more reliable on them. You rely on this person and you feel that they are the reason for your strength, and you have great hopes and expectations for your future, guys. And you are moving towards a positive outcome in your future, Scorpios. So maybe you are expecting marriage or commitment. So we have one card for your relationship, guys, and it is Star in reverse. So maybe in this relationship, what you truly feel with this person, you feel that maybe on certain things they are not open enough, they are not communicating freely. But today I see that even that circumstance is going to resolve if you have that clear communication. Maybe your person wants more communication from you, or you want more communication from them. So it should be that heart to heart, truthful communication, Scorpios. If that is going to happen, things are just going to go in that expected way, whatever you expect in this relationship, guys. Maybe this is missing in this relationship. Maybe for some of you this may be a new connection. That may be the reason for this energy. Maybe you have not understood them enough till now and you are quite curious to find out more about them. And this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. So for your career situation, Scorpios, we have 8 of swords. So maybe in your work situation you may not see some kind of a change, a positive change or a growth. You feel stuck to something and you feel that you are unable to handle your circumstances in a positive way. But with the previous cards, I can tell you that your circumstances are changing, guys. You need not worry. So everything will begin to fall into place even in your work situation, Scorpios. So for your moon energy, Scorpios, we have balsamic moon, time for healing. So maybe in your relationship you have come to a place, maybe you have your future ahead of you, but whatever happened in the past, it is worrying you, and this is the time for you to heal yourself. Maybe if you want to make that positive move towards your future, you need to heal whatever past negativity you have within yourself, guys, and have that belief. But if you feel that your situation is out of control, something you cannot do anything today, you may feel depressed or sad over the way things are going, you just need to surrender yourself to that higher power or universe, whatever you call it, and be ready when the time comes for you. And maybe you need more time to heal today, guys. That is what I feel. So if you see your situation out of control, you just need to wait for things to fall into place again. Wait for the right time. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpio. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and um, love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as a responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.